In the digital realm where every mention counts, one domain name rises above the rest. Introducing ementions.com, the domain that not only grabs attention but transforms the way we connect and mention online. Picture the contrast. On the left, your online presence gets lost in confusion. On the right, with ementions.com, you command the spotlight. That's not all. ementions.com is the go-to domain for major companies that grasp the power of mentions. Behold these industry giants. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, they all incorporate @mentions as a core part of their platforms. Now imagine owning the domain that resonates with the essence of social interaction. ementions.com isn't just a domain, it's the gateway to the heart of online engagement. It's where conversations spark, connections flourish, and mentions thrive. But don't take our word for it. Hear from those who've harnessed ementions.com's power to elevate their brands and connect with audiences like never before. Are you ready to launch your digital presence into the stratosphere? ementions.com isn't just a domain, it's your place in the future of online communication. Here's the catch. This opportunity won't last. Act now and make ementions.com your domain. Once it's gone, it's gone. Seize the future, make your mark, and elevate your brand. Contact us today to claim ementions.com as your own. ementions.com, where online mentions become legendary. Don't miss this one-of-a-kind opportunity. Contact us below.